Hi, this is Jessica with NiftyKit, and in this guide, we'll be adding the Share to Earn apps to your NFT collection. This app is free to add to your collections, so we really recommend you adding this app to offer incentive to people so that they'll want to share your collections. This referral app is where people can earn a percentage of your NFT sales for every successful referral, giving further incentive for people to share your collection with their friends, family, and on social because they will earn for every successful mint. So let's get started. It's pretty easy to add. Simply create your collection with NiftyKit first, and once you do, we'll go here and click the collection where you want to add the app. So I am here in my drop collection on Base, and it's already launched, and you must create the contract first before you can add the Share to Earn app. So here we are. Let's go to the Apps tab and find Share to Earn and click Add. You just need to pay a small gas fee to move it along. Now let's go back to the Overview tab here so we can get set up, and we'll click Setup. And here you'll need to add the percentage of your sales that you'll want to share for every referral. Let's go check it out on our Mint page. And in order to do that, just click View here and it will open up your page. And here you will see the new Share to Earn button. So this is what people will see and click. And once they click this, they will connect their wallet and it will generate a unique link per person or per wallet. And they will just need to copy this and then share it for their referral. So let's talk a little bit about how the payout works, just in case they ask. For every mint with a unique URL, it will automatically be sent to the wallet they connected when they generated the link. So let's create a scenario here. I will be the collector who used someone's referral link. So I'll mint here using someone's Share to Earn link. And once they minted, the sharer can go and check the mint transaction in the Blockchain Explorer. And see here that the percentage of sales is sent to my wallet address. And that's it. Share to Earn is pretty easy to activate. You can always change the percentage or deactivate it at any time, and you can also activate it at any point during your sale. I hope you found this quick guide helpful, and remember to visit docs.niftykit.com, where you can also learn more about how to install various apps on your NiftyKit collections. And if you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to us via our chat support on our website at app.niftykit.com.